Now, today, let us deal with expansion of formulae. So, expansion. So, they expand. One becomes 2 or 3. We start with the distributive law. Distributive law. A into bracket B plus A. We are use the bracket and into signs. That is why it is single term. A into bracket B plus is a single term. When you expand it, this becomes AB plus AC. A is multiplied by B and A is multiplied by C with plus sign. Now, even it is applicable for minus also. A into bracket B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. This is the left hand distributive law. Now, secondly, if I write A plus B into C, that is AC plus BC. This is right hand. This is single term, whereas there are two terms here. So, A plus B into C is AC plus BC. Even this is applicable for minus also. Using these two formulae, we can go to A plus B into C plus D. Here A into bracket C plus D, A into bracket C plus D plus B into bracket C plus D. Again, left hander, first law I can use that as AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. There are four terms. Here because only one term. Here we have used a bracket, becomes it 1. C plus it is also 1. 1 into 1 is again same one term. Whereas in RHS you find four terms. It is A into AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Even it is applicable for minus also. Now, using this one, we write A plus B bracket square. It is A plus B into A plus B. And simplifying, you will get A square plus 2AB plus B square. If you use minus here, because minus of minus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Now, fifth law is A plus B into A minus B. In this case, if LHS we are having only one term, whereas this is A square minus B square. This is called as difference of two squares. You have to square the first term and the same A, B, B, plus sign, minus sign, so you have to write A square minus B square. So x plus A into x plus B is equal to, this we have to write it as x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. This is very simple. If you apply this and take x common, you will get x square plus A into bracket A plus B into x plus AB. If it is minus, x minus a x minus b is equal to same thing x square minus into bracket a plus b into x plus ab, because minus into minus is plus. So these formulae help us to expand any binomial. So now let me solve some problems on this. Reverse of it is this becomes factorization. So suppose 234 into 6 plus 234 into 4. It takes much time to multiply these two and add. Actually you have to multiply, then you have to add. But if you take 234 into bracket 6 plus 4 is 10. So simply it becomes 2340. If you multiply these two and add, you get 234. So this is how the formula helps us to answer quickly. Here you have to take 234, same thing, and 6 and 4 is 10. Right, like that. A plus b bracket square as a minus b bracket square. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab. But we want 2ab. That is why we have to add plus 4ab. If we add 4ab, this becomes a plus b bracket square. So a plus b is equal to automatically square root of a minus b bracket square plus 4ab. This is how you can derive. If you know a minus b, you can find a plus b. Similarly, a minus b bracket square is equal to a plus b bracket square. I have to write minus 4ab plus 2ab. Minus 4ab means minus 2ab. That's how it becomes a minus b bracket square. So a minus b is equal to a plus b bracket square minus 4ab. This is how these formulae are very important. In converting, whenever a minus b is given, you can find a plus b. Whenever a plus b is given, you can find a minus b. So now 10th one is here. Suppose if we add these two, a plus b bracket square plus a minus b bracket square, automatically here plus 2ab minus 2ab cancels, giving you 2a square plus 2b square, which is equal to 2 into bracket a square plus b square. Now, what is the modification of this formula? Now, we got one is a plus b plus c, 3 terms. Here, a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to the same thing. Same using again distributive law, you will get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. So this is the expansion of a plus b bracket square, very important. Even here x plus a into x plus b, x minus x plus c. Here x cube plus a plus b plus c, x square, one less, a plus b plus AB plus BC plus CA into X. Last one is ABC. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms. Here there are 6 terms. That is why we call it expansion. We are expanding. But whereas in the left-hand side there is only one term. X plus A, X plus B, X plus C is considered as a one term, whereas we get this one. They are very useful in deriving most of the formulae.